I'm Jacqueline. I live just outside of Midland, Texas, and my family and I are producing these 3D printed face shields. We saw the lack of PPE in our local community and we knew that this was something we could help with. So we are 3D printing the frame and then cutting out the clear plastic by hand, and on the back there we just have buttonhole elastic that allows for better adjustability. These do sit off the face, so they do allow the user to wear goggles and a mask and they won't inhibit the use of that. So each of these costs about $3 in materials to make. Since our GoFundMe started a couple days ago, we've had over 330 requests for face shields, so there is definitely a need here. We finished our first 50 today. Those will be getting distributed this evening as well as into tomorrow, and those are going to local hospitals as well as local family practices. So if you could even throw like $5 in the GoFundMe, that helps get one of these in the hands of a healthcare hero that could really use it. We've had a lot of great feedback so far. Everyone's really excited. And it's not that people are unprepared, it's that they put their order in 2 months ago and things just haven't shipped and there's no date set as to when that will be. So we're just trying to help in any way we can. Our 3D printers are on their way. Once they get here, we'll be able to do between 50 and 70 a day. And then once those are no longer used or needed, those will be going to the Greenwood schools where they'll be donated and the kids could benefit from getting use out of those. So let me go ahead and show you kind of what we're doing. Got it set up here to run the program. And then over here, you can see the printer is going. One of these takes about 1 hour and 15 minutes to make. So this is it. This is the frame when it comes out of the printer. This is ABS material that we're using here. So taking it from fresh out of the printer to finished product is basically just putting on this buttonhole elastic band. It's approximately 9 inches or 8 holes, which seems to work best. When cutting them, you do have to burn the ends with a lighter just in order to keep it from fraying. I do trace out all of my film at once. This is my template here. It is 9.5 by 9.5. And that is just traced out on film like this. Right here we have the .0075 clear acetate. These 50 that I already have done, these use 0.5 millimeter PETG. I also have the same thickness coming in polycarbonate. All 3 types are approved for medical use in this capacity. Once I have the film traced out, I just punch the holes you see here with paper hole punch. The 2 ends are elongated. They're just 2 holes punched approximately 1 millimeter off the center from each other. Once those are done, then we just put the film on over these little protrusions here. You can kind of see it just snaps on, and once it is on, it is secure. Final results that are ready to go. I've got 20 boxed up. They're being delivered to a local hospital here tomorrow. And these will be sorted and boxed and get to where they are needing to go. I've got another hospital that's going to be taking delivery of some, as well as some local family practices and EMS services. So thank you all so much to those who have donated or shared the GoFundMe. I can't tell you how appreciative all the healthcare workers that I've talked to are. So if we can keep this rolling, we will keep printing and we will get these where they need to go. Thank you all so much.